Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the new color from Nike SE down low, and this one is the render, ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out on my website beyondshop.ru. Now let me show you the details of this one. First, you can check the whole side here. You can look different colors on the whole pair. Got the green, brown, purple, and the middle is the white. Purple Nike shoes and the green part with the thread, and the brown part also with the thread. The body is color with different kind of material. All brown here. And check out the toe base. Very good shape. And the front here got the brown thread with the holes. And for the laces is the purple one, plastic lace tape. And on the shoe tom here got the nylon. This one should be the nylon or something else. And got the Nike at the top. The body inside got the same. The whole pair, the color is very unique. The bottom is the purple one. In the middle got Nike shoes and the R letter. And let me show the back side. You can look the back side. So got the Nike embroidered on the top. 3 colors. The body inside got a green on this color, and also including the shoe part also is green color. Got the Nike, and the back side of the shoe tom got the text. So here, just give it a quick look. For more details, please check out on my website. Thanks for seeing. See you next time.